company and work for a litigant person, and you've had some experience of this. So if I give you maybe 6-7 minutes or so, then take questions.
Okay, I'm going to for over a year now, I'm an advocate. I'm a family support worker for Justice for Families, which is the chairman's domain. I'm primarily talking about all the children's voices being heard in family courts. And from experience, apart from 1-2 weeks ago, I would say no. And the reason these children's voices are not being heard in court is because the CAFCA, guardians, the children's solicitors, local authority solicitors, and even parents solicitors are telling the judge that it's not in the child's best interest to speak to the judge. So the children are not being heard by the judge, their views are not being, the care plans are being written up, and they'll use excuses as to why it's not in the best interest of the child to speak to the judge. Now, as what happened 2 weeks ago, we managed to get a third child in to speak to the judge. Now, the local authority barrister put out their law books and tried to put the judge off. The judge went and got his law books and looked up and said, well, actually, it's my decision, and yes, I will see this child. Had this child not been seen by the judge, there's no doubt, in my mind, these children would have been removed from the mother's care. Because the judge had such an opinion of this child as being an abused child and unable to communicate efficiently, because of the reports that have been written by doctors, experts and everything. Now, we pressed for this child's right to be seen, the child got to see the judge is absolutely delighted with this child, she's only 12, and I seriously believe that had she not seen the judge, that the judge would have gone along with everybody else. Everybody else wants removal, Mr. Third Guardian, everyone on the judge last week went against the lot of them and said no, the children can stay at home. Had that child not got to see the judge, it would have been totally different. I just want to play something for you, which happened in a court in Birmingham last year. Now, it's quite disturbing, and this is a 7-year-old, 10-year-old and 11-year-old and 15-year-old who explained to everybody who didn't want to be left to losing their mum. She actually took me into the courtroom with her. They were extremely distressed. The judge decided he wasn't going to listen to the children. And the judge overruled what the children's wishes were, and this is what actually happened in the court. Occasionally, Justice called in and pinned down the mother and ripped the children off of her. And this is what's happening.
How old are the children?
7, 11 and 15. Now the 15-year-old, now 16, left her foster care and refused to leave home. The other two are still in foster care.
Right.
And this is what's happening in your family court, in family home.
Who's the judge?
I can't remember his name. McFarlane. Now I recorded this via, I knew the police, because I was looking after the children while I was in the court. She asked me to bring the children to the court, which I did. I recognised what was going on, what they were going to do, and I rang a Birmingham City Councillor. And while I was on the phone, this is what happened, and she heard all of this, and she tried to intervene, and there's nothing that she could have done. It wasn't a local paper, but you know, these children are not being heard, and that I mean I just thought myself at the scene, and
Has she involved her own team? Has been put in mind by the MP?
the only well, yes and no. The only people that are accountable are the police, the bruises that they inflicted on the mother. We have to make a resolution so that they won't do it again. But it's kind of neighbourly that we get involved. It's and that is institutional abuse. Now these children, I'd like to mention that all of the families I work with, it's minor local authority cases, care cases, not one of these children has been abused. They've all relied on expert evidence from psychologists to say, in their opinion, it is likely in the future these children will be abused. There's some mums here that I work with who've had children adopted. There's no facts of abuse. It's only experts that can pay, I feel like there's been here, £10,000 for 6 hours work. £10,000 a psychologist and a student would think that is a minimum, you know?
That's a very good connection.
Not my